Ever look up at the night sky and wonder about the vastness of space? Today we're going to share 10 mind-blowing space facts that will change your reality. Number 1, there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. The observable universe contains an estimated 100 billion trillion stars. Even if you were to remove all the stars that are not visible to the naked eye, the number is still staggering. It would take 1,000 years for you to count all the stars in the night sky. If you counted one per second. 2, you can see the edge of the universe. From Earth, it takes like 13.8 billion years to reach us from the most distant galaxies. This means that when we look up into space, we are seeing back in time. The light we see today from the edge of the universe left those galaxies when they were only a few 100 million years old. In other words, we are literally looking at baby pictures of the universe. 3, a year on Mercury is longer than a year on Earth. Despite being the planet closest to the sun, Mercury has the least eccentric orbit of all the planets in the solar system. As a result, its year is only slightly longer than Earth's at 88 days. 4, on Jupiter, it rains more than 900 times as much as on Earth. Jupiter has more mass than all the other planets in the solar system combined. This means that its gravity is very strong and it has a dense atmosphere. The pressure and temperature in Jupiter's atmosphere are perfect for creating massive storms that can last for centuries. 5, if you were to stand at the North Pole and reach out your hand, you would be touching the sun. If you were to stand at the North Pole and reach out your hand as far as you could, you would be touching the sun. The sun is so massive that if it were to replace the Earth, it would extend 104,000 miles out into space. 6, Saturn's largest moon, Titan, has more moons than some planets. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, has more moons than some planets in the solar system. Titan has around 20 known moons, while Mercury, Venus, and Mars each have only 1. 7, a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. A day on Venus is longer than a year there. Because Venus rotates so slowly, a day on the planet can be as long as 243 Earth days. But a year on Venus is only 225 Earth days long. This means that the sun rises and sets only a few times a year on Venus. 8, the sun is not yellow. The sun is actually white, but it appears yellow from Earth because of the way our eyes perceive color. When the sun is low on the horizon, its light passes through more of the Earth's atmosphere than when it is overhead. The blue light is scattered away, leaving the warmer colors like yellow and orange. 9, the Earth is not the center of the universe. We know now that the Earth is not the center of the universe. The Earth is just a small planet orbiting around the sun, which is just one star in the Milky Way galaxy. And the Milky Way is just one galaxy in the observable universe. 10, space can smell. When astronauts return to Earth from the International Space Station, they often report that the Earth smells amazing. This is because the Earth's atmosphere contains a variety of chemicals and compounds that create a unique smell. Astronauts have described the smell of Earth as fresh-baked cookies, gunpowder, and even chlorine. So there you have it. 10 mind-blowing space facts that will change your reality. Do you find these facts as fascinating as we do? Which fact was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.